There is a point in recovery where many survivors begin to understand what happened to them with surprising clarity. They can recognize patterns that once felt confusing. They can make sense of behaviors that once felt unpredictable. They can describe the relationship in ways that would not have been possible before. And yet, internally, something may still not feel steady. This can be unsettling to interpret. Not because understanding is failing, and not because your recovery is going backwards, but because clarity and stability do not always develop at the same pace. For many survivors, this is one of the first places recovery expectations begin to quietly misalign with recovery reality. They may still feel hesitant in their timing, still uncertain in their decisions, still aware of a quiet instability that insight alone does not seem to resolve. Understanding helps organize what happened. But stability is not only something you understand. It is something your system gradually relearns. During prolonged psychological disruption, many people adapt by relying more heavily on analysis, observation, and careful interpretation of what is happening around them. Over time, this can increase awareness. It can make patterns easier to recognize. But recognizing patterns does not immediately restore the internal conditions that make stability feel natural. Understanding changes what you can explain. Stability changes what you can rely on. Because of this, survivors often reach a phase where they know more than they feel ready to trust. They can explain the dynamics and still question their own timing. They can understand the relationship and still feel cautious about their own conclusions. This is not a contradiction. It is a phase where clarity is developing faster than internal predictability. When people assume that understanding should immediately produce stability, ongoing hesitation can begin to feel like failure. They may believe they are not healing correctly, or that they should be further along because they can now describe the patterns more clearly. But stability is not built from explanation alone. Stability develops as the system gradually experiences that its internal signals can be relied on again. This process is usually quieter than insight. Understanding can feel sudden. Stability often feels incremental. Sometimes subtle enough that it is only recognized in hindsight. This is also why many survivors continue searching for more information, hoping that one final realization will create the internal shift they are waiting for. But some phases of recovery become easier when insight is no longer the only tool being relied on. Many survivors later notice that stability returns less as a breakthrough and more as a gradual reduction in internal effort. Over time, subtle changes often begin to appear. Reactions may feel less urgent in certain situations. Decisions may begin to feel steadier, even when uncertainty still exists. The relationship with one's own perception can slowly become more consistent. Not all at once, not through pressure, but through repeated experiences of internal conditions becoming more predictable. This phase rarely resolves all at once, but it also rarely remains permanent. If structured support would feel helpful during this phase, Power and Purpose Academy offers a paced environment designed to support identity stabilization and the gradual restoration of internal authority without urgency and without forcing progress before your system is ready. You can explore that below whenever it feels appropriate. And if you're not ready for that, you are always welcome to stay here and continue at your own pace. We'll pause here.